payday. That's right, I'm coming back like OJ, like a running back in his old days.
Very loud and good quality. Hello everyone and welcome here. My name is Kim Leandersson and I'm the CEO of Cognizant Latvia. Today we are here to test a pair of digital sunglasses and the listing on Amazon is as follows. Boat Mio, Bluetooth glasses, Bluetooth headphone, hands-free, HD, 1080p camera, mini DV video recorder, eyewear, driving glasses, sport cycling sunglasses, support micro SD card, smart glasses with 8 GB of memory card. So let's look how they look like. Case itself is full with stuff. You have a cloth so you can clean it. You have some headphones, USB cable. We have a small SD card and we have the super cool glasses. Looks pretty much like a normal pair of sunglasses. And these glasses basically they have three main functions. One is that they can record video and audio with them. You can use them as a music player. And the third is of course that they look really cool when you wear them. So let's charge them up and we'll get back soon to test all these functions. Okay, so we're back. We have been charging the sunglasses for a couple of hours and now we are ready to test the music play function. Let's see how it works. Let's see. And we'll kick off some Spotify.
Payday. That's right, I'm coming back like OJ, like a running back in his old days.
Works quite well, very loud and good quality, so no problems at all actually to use as a Bluetooth music player. Next function to test is the recording of audio and video. With one press of this button, it should take some still pictures. The tricky thing is when you are about to record some videos, you actually need to hold the button for about 3 seconds. Not that hard. If it wasn't for that, if you press it too long, it instead shuts the glasses off. So here, I think that I just shut them off. So now they should be filming, but I'm just shooting a dark corner, so it isn't really fair for measuring the quality of the camera. So instead I will give the glasses to my little helper who will film this bright spot instead with them, and from that we will see if the glasses are good or bad. We are getting some awesome footage from the glasses. Hopefully it's of good quality, but we will soon be able to check through the computer if the quality is good or bad. Okay, so we have evaluated the video. We looked at it on the laptop and it actually looked pretty good. It's a little bit shaky when you wear them on your head, of course, but as long as the lighting is good, it's better quality than I expected on the video recording. So pretty good. And the third function that was promised in the description was that these glasses would look really cool. So that's what we're going to test now. So I'm going to go walk around in the office and let some of the employees decide basically. Is it the bucket hat, the tank top, or these super cool Terminator glasses that look the coolest?
Glasses for the third one, yeah.
Third one, for both. Yeah. Perfect. Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? Number 1. Number 1? Yeah. Number 3. Number 1. Number 1. Number 2?
Number 2.
Number 2. I just want to know, do you know which open positions we have?
Oh.
So glasses 1, I do look cool in them, which means that these glasses, they are overall quite okay. Definitely not the worst of tech. If you want to have a chance of winning these glasses, then go like our Facebook page. If you like this and want to see what is actually worst of tech and how do we destroy them, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and watch the other videos. We will soon be back for more. Bye.